Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, I'm gonna show you something that I've never seen before. I cut this one off to, but because it doesn't have much already. That little one, I'm gonna take it out. But what I didn't know was that this one is growing another one. I never seen that, like, one after another. Right there. This is another seed that is coming out. So that's amazing. I think it's awesome. Oh, and another thing I found out, this one, I didn't notice this one. This one is giving also seeds. I guess that wait, let me see if okay, I'm seeing you. Another seeds right here. Wow, that is amazing. And that one, it hasn't grown none, but they usually pull one out, one seed, then it dies off. Then a while, like a couple of months down the road, it might give you another seed, but not one after another like this one. It was like they were brothers. Look at that, right there. That's another seed popping up. So ain't that nice? And I'm seeing a lot of things today, which is good. Yesterday was a bad day. My computer got messed up. I don't know if I have a computer. So this one is another one coming out right there. I don't know what I'm going to do with so many seeds. Let me see. Now this one is not. Let me see what else is growing here. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and behind this one is 5. By the time these give out, then they'll be giving another one somewhere else. So ain't that amazing? So I just want to show you that I'm very happy with my corianders. Or my recao, culantro, Culantro is this one, I think. This one's the culantro and these are the recaos. So, I'm very happy with what's happening with my plants. It's amazing and I hope they keep growing. I will fill this up somehow. I don't know. I took out something that I saw over there and I'm going to show you where I put it. I put it here. I don't know what it is, but I don't know if it's gonna stay there long. I'm just gonna figure out what it is. If it's not worth it, just throw it out, because I do not want grass. I want things that we could eat. So saying this, God bless you all. Until next time, bye bye.